We got a scooter tail light turn signal blinker for our scooter and are installing it and very excited to use it as we ride our scooter for safety. This is a great quality blinker and tail light system. I am going to show you what it looks like installed and used. This is my husband here installing. This is a rechargeable remote. For the tail light, you have to install the belt with the screws, and it has a way to adjust it to the size that you need. And then it just simply clicks on. And you just press the button in the middle there, and as you can see, you have your red tail light. So to get your turn signal on the tail light, you're going to be pressing your left or right.
Oh, chocolate milk.
And then you also have like a blinking or your warning button. And it's going to look like that.